Hello, everyone. Mr. McCray here from Math Enrichment, trying to give you some opportunities to learn some of the harder problems that we've been working on for one-step equations. So I just did a small video on uh, one-step equations with fractions. So right here is basically all the operations and the inverse operations, and we're going to use those to help us solve the problems for the missing variables. Okay, so we have the first problem here of x plus 1/2 equals 2. Okay, so we're basically finding what number plus 1/2 equals 2. So thinking about this as we go along in the process here, okay, remember we said this is the operation on this side and this is the answer. So the operation is addition. So again, the operation addition, what is the inverse operation? That is subtraction. So we would have to subtract 1/2 from both sides of the equation, okay, from the answer and the expression side. Okay, this cancels, and then we're left with x. Okay, and then now we have 2 minus 1/2. So how do we work that and get that information so we can make? First of all, we have to think about how do we turn 2 into a fraction. So the easiest way to do that is you're going to make this into 1, and then you're going to make a whole number fraction. Okay, so you want to make it as much as the denominator on the first one. So it would be 2 over 2. Okay, so 2 over 2 is also equal to 1, but 2 over 2 plus 1 is 2. So that's how it would work. Then you'd minus 1/2. Now from here, then you would have, okay, so I have 1, that 1 will drop down because it's 1 minus 0. And then we have 2 over 2 minus 1/2. So that's going to equal 1/2. Okay, because with the denominators stay the same, and then we minus the numerators of 2 minus 1 would equal 1/2. Okay, so therefore that would be our answer. Our answer would be 2, x equals 1 and 1/2, or 3 over 2. Okay, again, trying to go over some of the review stuff that you're going to need when you do the work here, because this is going to be something we're going to focus on. Okay, so let's look at the next one. One stepper. Okay, so we have positive 4, so we have to, the inverse is -4. So we have to minus 4 from both sides. A lot of lag today for some reason. So I think it's because of the rain and all that stuff that's going on outside. That's why it's lagging. Who knows? Maybe I might even lose power. I don't know. Okay, so let's see here. All right. Come on. Sorry, guys. This thing is just got a mind of its own today. Minus 4. Okay, so how do we do this one? We have 11 over 2 minus 4. Now, there's a bunch of ways. Again, you could do it the same exact way I just showed you. Okay, you could do it in terms of like, okay, I say 3, and then I go 2 over 2, and I minus that from 11 over 2. Okay, you can do the same exact way. Only difference is it's going to might make your job a little bit harder. Okay, so unfortunately, that would be 9 over 2. So it'd be 3, 9 over 2. Okay, which is kind of hard because then you have to do 6, and then it's 54 over 2. Okay, so how I got that was I do that 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2 plus 3 is 6 plus 5 is 15. So hold on, sorry, 15 over 2. My fault, guys. 15 over 2. 2. Okay, so again, that would be the answer to that question, 15 over 2. Okay, so again, these are kind of hard, but like I said, as long as you can be able to convert your fractions into whole numbers that can be easily broken down and minused and subtracted, you should be good. Okay, let's try another one. I have some on the other page. Okay, so now we have some multiplication ones. We have 6 over 5 times n equals negative 36 over 25. Okay, so we have to find out what the value of n is on this one. If I can get my thing over there. Come on over, come on. My God, today things really. Okay, that should help. Yes. Okay. So how do I do this one? So again, we know that it's multiplication. So the inverse for all multiplication is division. So we have to divide by 6/5. Same thing here. We'll divide by 6/5. Okay. So again, what we're doing this is we're trying to practice our fractional skills. Back in the day, fractional skills here. If we can get this to move over. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Oh man, this thing is really having issues today. Having problems here. Sorry, guys. Okay, 6/5. So now if we keep moving here, we should have 36/25 negative, and then we divide by 6/5. Okay, divide by 6/5. Now remember we said keep, change, flip. Apologize, guys, for this. This is not the greatest here. So keep, change, flip. So we got to flip. We got to multiply by 5/6. That's the flip portion. Change our multiplication division to multiplication, and then we have to flip the values. So again, we have 36/25. Okay, so then we can do our cross cancel here. 6, 5, 5. And 1 and 1. So basically, this answer is going to be 6/5. So that would be the answer to the question. What would be the value of n? 6/5. Okay, 6/5 times 6/5 would equal that. Okay, or squared. All right, last problem. We have this negative 13 over 8 r over 2. Okay, we're going to put that line down the middle again. And now we're going to now it says r time divided by 2. So again, the inverse would be multiplication. So we'd multiply both sides by 2. So this would, and then what we would do in that situation, again, cross canceling makes it easier when you do a multiplication. I'll cross cancel both of these. And then so you have 2 goes into 8 4 times. So our final answer would be to find the value of r. You would just need r would equal negative 13/4. Okay, and that's it, and that's how you do it. So again, try the problems. Again, sorry about the kind of chicken scratch writing here, but try the problems the best you can, and we'll practice up a little bit. Okay. All right, guys. Have a good day.